Sir, very happy morning to all. My dear lovable students, we are going to write our September examination. நீங்க இந்த செப்டம்பர்ல எக்ஸாம் எழுத போறதா இருந்தா today is the last day for studying other subject other than advanced accounting, because we are having a general plan of studying last 5.5 days our the first paper, the decider of group number 1. And also if you are going to write both the groups, my dear lovable students, again it is a decider. So in the 5.5 days நம்ம எப்படி யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்றோங்கிறது important, very important, very important, my dear lovable students. கண்டிப்பா நம்ம ரொம்ப நாளா ஓடிட்டு இருக்கோம் இந்த செப்டம்பருக்காக. கண்டிப்பா நம்ம டயர்டா இருப்போம். பட் அந்த டயர்ட் நம்மளோட இந்த 5.5 டேஸை எஃபெக்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. பாயிண்ட் நம்பர் 1. சார் அதான் சார் நான் எல்லாம் படிச்சுட்டனே, நான் எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டனே, நான் எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டனே, எல்லாம் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணியாச்சே. மை டியர் லவபிள் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், எவ்வளோதான் விராட் கோஹ்லியும் மகேந்திர சிங் தோனியும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணா கூட நாளைக்கு ஒரு மேட்ச் நடக்குதுன்னா ஜஸ்ட் 1 day பிஃபோர் அவங்க நெட்ஸில் இருப்பாங்க. ஏன்? அவங்களுக்கு கிரிக்கெட் ஆட தெரியாதா? அவங்களுக்கு அந்த பாலை 6 அடிக்க தெரியாதா? That practice is important, very important, very important. That's what this 5.5 days is all about. That means in the 5.5 days எங்கிருந்து ஆரம்பிக்குதுன்னா, today you wind up all the other subject, my dear lovable students. Sir, 30th, that is tomorrow. 31, that is day after tomorrow. Then 1, then 2, then 3, and 4th half day. That's how it become 5.5 days. I am having a beautiful and a fantastic and an outstanding plan for you. நீங்க இந்த பிளானை ஃபாலோ பண்றதா இருந்தா முதல்ல ஃபுல்லா கேளுங்க. Just listen once fully, then only you can implement. Sir, day number 1 tomorrow. Every day I have classified into slot A, slot N, slot M, and slot the last one, slot CA. 4 ஸ்லாட்டா பிரிச்சிருக்கேன். 1 day has been classified into 4 slot. I have pakka made this plan after lot of revisions, my dear lovable students. Tomorrow morning, sir, always your slot number 1, slot number A, from morning 7 to 9:30 a.m. Then slot number 2 will be from 10 to 1, morning 1. And slot number 3 will be 2 to 5. And the last slot will be 6 to 10, 4 slots. Supera படிக்க போறோம் நம்ம. Tomorrow you are supposed to start with AS4 and AS13. காலையில் எந்திரிச்சு மார்னிங் 7 o'clock இருந்து 9:30 குள்ள பிரேக்ஃபாஸ்ட் சாப்பிட்றதுக்குள்ள complete these 2 AS. And I will tell you, this AS4 is an expected AS for this attempt. I think that mandatorily it will come. So revise very properly AS4. If you have not studied, no problem. I have uploaded my marathon in this channel. Consolidated marathon upload பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அந்த consolidated marathon ஒரு half an hour 45 minutes பார்த்துருங்க. half an hour 45 minutes பார்த்துருங்க. AS13 last time தான் கேட்டாங்க. ஸோ ஒரு இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் அக்கௌண்ட் ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் கொஸ்டின் வர்றதுக்கு வாய்ப்பே இல்லை. பட் AS13ல இருந்து இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட், கரண்ட் இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் லாங் டேர்ம் இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்டா மாத்தினா அப்படி இருக்கிற AS13 ரிலேட்டடான ஏரியா ஸ்டில் இந்த டெர்ம்க்கு அப்ளிகபிள். அந்த ஏரியா மட்டும் ப்ராப்பராக ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிருங்க. இப்போ டைம் என்னாச்சு தெரியுமா? டே நம்பர் 1ல மார்னிங் 10 o'clock. By 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock, it's 3 hours, my dear lovable students. Sit and write this 7 question. Internal reconstructionல ஒரு கொஸ்டின் போடுங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எடுத்த உடனே internal reconstruction 14 mark. This time internal reconstruction is very much expected because last time schedule 3 has been tested. Number 2, consolidated financial statement la 14 mark podunga. Sir, because amalgamation is there, consolidation is there. Consolidation is very easy as compared to amalgamation. You know, the same only you are supposed to follow in the examination also. 2 14 mark question you should write at the same time. I will upload how to write the exam, my dear lovable students. So 14 mark and 14 mark. இப்போ 2 14 mark நம்ம எழுதுனப்போ கை கொஞ்சம் வலிக்கும். So go back to buy back a 7 mark area for examination. If you have prepared branch account, a 6 mark question for sir branch, Then slowly pick up the pace once again. Cash flow statement, 1 question, 7 mark. Then to the bigger slot, like amalgamation, 14 mark, and schedule 3, 14 mark. This 7 question you are supposed to complete within 10 to 1. 3 hours. 3 hours, complete it. Take a superb lunch. ரொம்ப சாப்பிட்டு தூங்கிராதீங்க. My dear lovable students, this is the new value addition for this attempt from my side. Every day 2 to 5, the next slot of 3 hours, everyone who are going to write this September should mandatorily complete the 35 MCQ which has been published by ICAI. Sir, if you are not completing that 35 MCQ, don't step into examination hall. It's a national waste. Sir, நான் ஆல்ரெடி போட்டேன் 35 MCQ. திருப்பி போடு. சார், அப்படி ஒரு புக் இருக்கிறதே எனக்கு தெரியாது. தயவு செஞ்சு தெரிஞ்சுக்கோ. That book is there in the ICAI portal. Please download it. You have to solve daily மதியத்துக்கு மேல 7 case study, 7 case study, 7 case study, 7 case study. It is mandatory. First 30 mark will decide or determine whether you are going to get the exemption or not. And 20 MCQ, that is not the case study, 20 MCQ per day. MCQ, MCQ, MCQ. Sir, எங்கிருந்து சார் நம்ம MCQ case study போடுறது? ICAI is having sources. ஒரு புக்ல அவங்க கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. உனக்கு ICAIல போய் பார்த்து எங்க இருக்குன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்க தெரியலனா just join my Telegram channel. It will be available in my Telegram channel. Go and finish it off. That's what, my dear lovable students. That means 7 case study you are supposed to finish. 3 hours time is there. 3 hours time is there. Afternoon nale case study. Sir, afternoon na தூக்க வருமே. Exam afternoon தானே. அப்பதான் brain ரொம்ப ஸ்மார்ட்டா இருக்கும். That's why I am allotting case study to you. This is the value addition as compared to the last study plan. Then evening, next slot, 5 to 6 o'clock break. 6:30 you start for the next 3 hours. If you are starting by 6, 7, 8, 9, 9:30, next 3 hours. For the day number 1, AS 20 and AS 22. Sir, this time both AS will be tested, which is expected question for examination, my dear lovable students. Day number 1 over. Coming to day number 2. Morning slot. 2 AS you prepare. AS 5 and AS 10. இதோட composition ஒரு theory AS, ஒரு problem AS. AS 10 last time only tested. So, less chance to come in this time in the descriptive area. But surely it will be tested in the MCQ part. Sir, day number 2, morning 10 o'clock. 10 to 1 o'clock, redo 7 question. Again, from IR 1 question, CFS 1 question, buyback 1 question, branch 1 question, cash flow statement 1 question, amalgamation 1 question, schedule 3 1 question. In case, if you have not prepared branch, do 2 questions from any of these chapters. Time madhyam 1 o'clock. Sit and do 7 new case study, 20 MCQ, my dear lovable students. Evening, sir, day number 2, sir, you will be entered into the full flow. Prepare AS 16 and expected AS. AS 17, mandatorily study that 5 test. AS 18, unexpected AS in MCQ for 2 mark. These 3 AS are important. Very important. Very, very important for this September attempt. Come to the day number 3. Day number 3, morning before breakfast, complete AS 12 and AS 26. These 2 AS are very, very important for this attempt. Sir, every AS you are saying like that. Yes, man. Every AS will be tested. Nearly 5 to 6 AS will be tested in the descriptive part. And nearly 5 to 6 AS will be tested in the MCQ part. That means there itself 14 AS to 15 AS are there. We have to prepare everything. Yes, sir. Then again 10 to 1. Again 10 to 1. This 7 question. Sir, IR 1 question. Consolidation 1 question. Buyback 1 question. Branch 1 question. Cash flow, amalgamation and schedule 3. Day number 3. Sir, 2 to 5. 7 new case study and 20 MCQ. Don't see the answer when you are doing the case study. நீங்களா போட்டு பாருங்க. போட்டு பார்த்துட்டு அதோட explanation போய் பாருங்க. நீங்க செம்மையா improve பண்ணுவீங்க. You will thank me like anything for this beautiful schedule நினைக்கிறேன். Day number 3, AS 24 and AS 19. I am expecting, sir, AS 24 question will be there this time. AS 19 always highly expected area for examination. If you have not prepared AS 24, I have uploaded the marathon for AS 24. In my cumulative marathon, it is there. Don't miss to watch AS 24. Prepare pannama exam povadinga. Day number 4, morning man, AS9 and AS28. Last time AS28 has been tested for 4 mark. So I don't think that they will be testing much big from AS28. They may also, but second category. AS7 last time test pannitanga. 9 this time will be tested, my dear lovable students. 10 to 1. Internal reconstruction 1 question. CFS 1 question. Buyback 1 question. Branch 1 question. Cash flow statement 1 question. Amalgamation 1 question. Schedule 3 another question, man. Day 4 le sir 2 to 5. 7 new case studies plus 20 MCQs and AS7 and AS15. Sir, with regard to day number 5, sir, day number 5 means 1 day before examination. Tomorrow is the exam. I don't want to pressure you much. That's why, sir, only 2 things. AS1 very small, AS2, sir, very small. Then on that day to get the more practice, IR 1 question, CFS 1 question, buyback another question, branch 1 question, cash flow statement 1 question, amalgamation 1 question, and schedule 3 1 question. On that day, 7 case study plus 20 MCQ. By this, 35 case studies of the case study book will be completing. 100 MCQs will be completing. Both will be available in my Telegram channel. Just join. Get it. Don't waste your time. Just start your preparations, my dear lovable students. AS25 last attempt tested. So AS29 and AS11 surely high chance to be tested. If you want the analysis, how the question is coming, this time, sir, last time 7 mark, first compulsory question, 10 and 13 they have tested. So this time here 2 AS will be tested out of the above AS, expected AS which I said. Last time schedule 3 has been tested. Sir, schedule 3 IR, schedule 3. So there is a huge chance for testing IR. It may be schedule 3 also. Whatever it may be, we are prepared. Then what is the problem? Sir, 7 mark. Look, AS3, AS3, AS3. So in this 7, 7, one of the 7 will be taken care by AS3. AS3 is mandatory preparation of cash flow statement. Then AS25 tested. Here expected AS will come. I already told it may be 19, it may be 26, it may be 11, it may be, sir, 4 like that. Here question number 4 means amalgamation. AS14 it is fixed. Super, sir. Question number 5, last time consolidated P&L has been tested. So this time consolidated financial statement for 14 mark they may test. They may test for 14 mark, my dear lovable students. Sir, in question number 6, the first question will be theory question. Sir, a 4 mark. Another 4 mark, they have tested AS28. Here they may test AS17 or expected AS they will be testing. And last time for another 4 mark, they have tested dividend rules. 1 4 mark question they will be testing here. And surely a last question has been allotted for the branch. What are the resources you should complete? I have consolidatedly uploaded September related marathon. Whatever standards I'm having, I have uploaded. If you are having any doubt in those standards, you just go and see. If I don't have that standard, if you have not prepared, at least see the marathon of any faculty available in YouTube, my dear lovable students. MCQ booklet. My MCQ booklet will be available in my Telegram channel. Join, you can utilize it. Case study 35 question. For your benefit, I have posted case study of the advanced accountancy in my Telegram channel. ANM workbook. That is the value addition I have created as compared to the last batch. Last batch, sir, for this batch, every part we are having super 50. Nearly 250 questions is there in my workbook. That workbook is available in my Telegram channel. And the current RTP and MTP. All this you can use. This MCQ booklet and case study you can study afternoon. This workbook, RTP, MTP, you can use in the morning slot when you are doing AS also. This time we are going to get an exemption in advanced accounting. My target is 70 plus, my dear lovable students. If that is the same for you also, you just first picturize what is going to happen. Modella picturize pannu. Evlo ஆசையோட இந்த கோர்ஸ் நம்ம எடுத்துறோம். This is the time it is going to get tested. My dear lovable students, if you are able to score a 70 plus in accounts, 70 plus in accounts, அது கம்மி ஒரு மார்க் நான் திங்க் கூட பண்ணல. Then 150 minus 70, only 80 is required. You can score minimum 40 in law, minimum 40 in tax. That's it. Group over. You came out of the group number 1. It's all starts from tomorrow. It's all starts from tomorrow. Every day is important. I will be available live for all the 5 days. I will never leave you, sir. நீ இந்த சர்க்கிளை விட்டு வெளியே போறதுக்கு நான் உன்னை அலோவே பண்ண மாட்டேன். கவலையே படாத. டெய்லி காலையில வா, என்ன கம்ப்ளீட் பண்றேன்னு அப்டேட் பண்ணு. சார், திஸ் டைம், திஸ் செப்டம்பர் we will conquer it. I just want to start the thing with a positive comment in the comment section. சார், இந்த செப்டம்பர் இல்ல சார் நம்மளோட ஸ்லோகன், இந்த செப்டம்பர் மட்டும்தான். I believe that this is the most, sir, refined version of my 5.5 days strategy. This will really give you a superb, my dear lovable students, way of preparation. If yes, I just want to know in the comments. And if you are feeling this as useful, please share it with your friends also. Because ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம் மட்டும் சொல்லி நான் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Every batch I used to update 5.5 day strategy. When I update the last batch 5.5 day strategy, it crosses 5,000 views, which is a very big views for our channel based upon our subscribers. One of the student commented in the comment section, இப்போ அது channel இருக்கு, a student who have wrote for 4 attempt have failed, but he or she has saw this 5.5 day strategy and prepare based on this, and she has cleared that attempt. அப்பதான் I felt so much overwhelmed as a teacher. I am wishing you all the very best for my paper advanced accounting. We will crack together to get a 70 plus. I hope that this is very useful to you. We'll meet at the appropriate time with another useful resources.